G'day everyone. Thought I'd do a different video today because my work area is an absolute mess. So thought I'd clean it up. I'll get in closer so you can see what I'm talking about. It's just absolute shit everywhere. Like just shit everywhere. So yeah, thought I'd organise it and be a bit acoustic, I guess, and go from there. Because I don't know if you can see here, but I can't get this box out with this pole in the way. So yeah, it's probably the most grassroots setup. A toolbox, Toolpro toolbox, shelf, and a single car garage. It's probably as grassroots as you're gonna get. Let's crack on with this shit. Yeah. Go. Go. Yo, Molly, come here. What's wrong with your paw? Come here, Molly. Can you sit? High five? Hell yeah, let's go. Mike, back. Yeah. Fucking hate leaves. Yo. Ready? Hi. Hi. Gotcha. Hit it. Go. Go, go. Okay. Right. Go. That's it. Here we go. Stay there. Right, there you are. Whoa. Yo, you happy? There you go. So now we're all parked up. I can walk down here, no issues. I can access my tools. Because parking this car in here, single car garage life, you know the struggles. Fucking leaves. These fucking leaves, I swear. Fuck me dead. And then there should be enough room to close the garage. Yeah, plenty of room. I can get the bonnet. Still gotta do the catch can, waiting for parts. So that will be hopefully next video. But yeah, way more organised. I need to throw them around the other side, but yeah, way more organised. This is a game changer though. This Tool Pro toolbox though. Like, it's messy, but I've got every single tool I'd ever want in here. It's a bit pain-friendly because it's sat outside in the weather for 5 years, but it's here or there. Works. Yeah. Other than that, electric golf cart, buggy, battery, fishing gear, all the fucking hobbies I'm into, just everywhere, shit everywhere. But yeah, I need a bloody new pressure wash because this thing's not good enough. The cleaning stuff's just, you're never going to organise all that. But yeah, it's way better. Because I was trying to grab shit around this pole all the time. It was just so annoying. And like, if I put this too close, it'd probably be alright, but it's not level. Like, this isn't level. I don't know if you can't really see, but that's not level. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, whatever. Close, good enough. But anyway, it would be on lean. Not good. Yeah, just gotta sort out bullshit. Empty bottles and shit. The one thing I do need is one of those fucking vice stands, bro. A vice stand would be fucking mad. Actually having a vice that's got stable platform on it, game changer. Yeah, other than that, signing off. Hope you enjoyed the video because it needed to be organised, and I was like, oh fuck it, I might as well film it while I'm here. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you think I need to organise it differently or better. Give me some tips because it'd be greatly appreciated. Alright, catch us.